Today's the feast of the apostle and gospel writer St. Matthew, who's a great example to all of us of how we're called to share the mercy that we've received with others. Hello, Father James Kubicki here, and St. Matthew is one of my favorites because he was one of those company of pretty disreputable people that Jesus called to be his friends. He was a tax collector and associated with public sinners. Here's how another saint, known as Bede the Venerable, put it in a homily he once gave. The Gospel says, "As he sat at table in the house, behold, many tax collectors and sinners came and sat down with Jesus and his disciples." This conversion of one tax collector gave many people, those from his own profession and other sinners, an example of repentance and pardon. Notice also the happy and true anticipation of his future status as apostle and teacher of the nations. No sooner was he converted than Matthew drew after him a whole crowd of sinners along the same path of salvation. What St. Bede is saying is that the gift of grace, of salvation, is not a personal gift given only for our own benefit. God's mercy is meant to be shared with all, and perhaps the best ones to share that gift are people like Matthew, people like us, sinners who can show other sinners that God's way brings a happiness that no earthly pleasure can give. In fact, St. Bede goes on to say that the real banquet that occurred was the one that happened in Matthew's heart, a heart filled with faith and love. He said, "We must realize that he not only gave a banquet for the Lord at his earthly residence, but far more pleasing was the banquet set in his own heart, which he provided through faith and love."